Welcome to Palaui Island, a hidden paradise in the northeastern tip of the Philippines, where nature's beauty remains unspoiled and awe-inspiring. To get to Palaui Island from Manila, first, book a flight from Ninoy Aquino International Airport to Tuguegarao Airport, which takes about 1.5 hours. Upon arrival at Tuguegarao, take a van or bus to Santa Ana, Cagayan, a journey of approximately 2 to 3 hours. From Santa Ana, proceed to San Vicente Port via tricycle or jeepney, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, hire a boat at San Vicente Port for a 30 to 45-minute ride to Palaui Island. Palaui, located off the northwest coast of San Vicente in Santa Ana, Cagayan. Palaui Island stretches for 10 kilometers at its longest point and 5 kilometers at its widest point. On August 28, 1994, Palaui Island was designated as a National Marine Reserve, encompassing an area of 7,145 hectares. This protection ensures the conservation of its rich biodiversity and natural resources. Palaui Island is renowned for its pristine white sand beaches. These tranquil shores provide a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, offering visitors a serene environment to relax and rejuvenate. The island is a haven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Its lush greenery and extensive hiking trails lead you through diverse ecosystems, from dense forests to open grasslands, each offering a unique glimpse into the island's rich biodiversity. The island is home to 105 species of rattan, 25 imported shrubs, and 90 migratory bird species, making it a botanical and ornithological treasure. Standing proudly atop a hill, the historic Cape Engano Lighthouse is one of Palaui Island's most iconic landmarks. Built during the Spanish colonial period in 1892, this lighthouse has guided countless ships through the treacherous waters of the Philippine Sea. The lighthouse offers panoramic views of the surrounding ocean and the rugged coastline, making it a favorite spot for tourists and photographers. Beneath the crystal-clear waters surrounding Palaui Island lies a vibrant underwater world. The island's coral reefs, covering about 50 hectares, are teeming with marine life, including 21 commercial fish species. This makes it an excellent destination for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts eager to explore its colorful corals and diverse aquatic species. Historically, Palaui Island has played a significant role during World War II. It served as a strategic location for the Japanese forces due to its strategic position and the protection offered by its natural terrain. The remnants of bunkers and fortifications still stand as silent witnesses to this turbulent past, offering a poignant reminder of the island's historical importance. The island is home to a small, close-knit community that